We got quite a lot of things to do today. I got a package that I go pick up at the post office. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and do that first. Alright, we made it to the post office. Alright, so here it is at 𝗦𝗻𝗶𝗹. We just released new colors, 2 new colors, and it's the first time that I'm seeing them in purple. And here it is. We just released the new blue 𝗦𝗻𝗶𝗹, and it looks awesome. I really want to try it on. Oh yeah, it looks so good. And we also just released the white. So there's the white. The white looks super classy, but I'm really liking this blue. It's super fresh. And what we're gonna do now with 𝗦𝗍𝗃, do you have it, the powder? So we're actually gonna shoot a tiny reel with blue powder. So we actually already finished the actual video, but we just need one last shot where like the blue band actually punches and blue actually comes out. The idea is good. We'll see how the execution actually is. All right, so let me walk you through the setup right here. We've got the Sony a7S, and she's pouring a bunch of blue powder on this paper bag, and the focus is right there. So what I'm gonna do is just punch, and supposedly this will come up. That will be filming on slow-mo, and hopefully, just hopefully we'll get the shot. We just need one shot. You guys ready? 3, 2,
no, bravo.
Boom.
Así.
3, 2, 1.
Atrévela. Oh,
I'm a Smurf. Nice. Alright, you guys want to see that in slow-mo? Ready?
I be too turned up to ever give
1.
I ain't come to argue, let a please, baby.
2,
They
1.
talking pennies, I need bigger bucks.
3.
About to catch a fly.
Alright, I don't know if I'm supposed to use this, but I just found a hose. Let me see if that works. I don't know.
The longer I waited,
Hey Siri, turn on the
more
living room
that I've
lights.
tried. All the years that I wasted.
Let's do this. Alright, so it's time to get rid of this mess and this lamp that I really don't like. And this is the solution to the problem. So if you guys watched yesterday's vlog, you guys know what's in here. I've been waiting for this for about, what? It's been like
2 months.
2 months, and it's finally here. It's very good.
I can hear the wind chime. It's always been.
You know, one of the main reasons why I'm like very excited about this is because basically once this is there, the living room is pretty much done.
Early blue morning.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff.
Everything's cold. I see you running, all covered in gold. There's nothing else that.
Alright, an Amazon package has just been delivered. I picked up an 2TB SSD and the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. And I'm gonna use this for this right here. You see this black thing? Alright, so 𝗦𝗍𝗃 for, I guess, the buying apartment. Like, this is her present for the apartment. This is the new lamp. We should make a name for it. What should the name be? Let us know in the comments. You know, the story about this lamp is actually, I was in IKEA and I was actually about to buy this lamp and she already bought it for me. So I literally almost got this lamp. It's super nice.
Look at me. Boom.
Also, Tim Cook representing. Yes. All right, and over here, there's going to be a tiny table, which is exactly what that is right there. Now, I don't want you guys to see how we build it, so are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, and boom! And here it is. I am super happy. The living room is officially done. forget, I know this still needs to be fixed, but that's coming tomorrow. But I don't know, I'm super happy the way that the living room turned out. It looks the way that I wanted it to be. It's so peaceful. I'm happy, okay? I gotta work a little bit. I've got a lot of stuff to do. Gotta write scripts. I also got invited to the 𝗏 event. 𝗏 is basically the unification of all smart home ecosystems. So Apple's HomeKit, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, all of that will be one, which will be 𝗏. And the launch is that, and it's actually in Amsterdam. So I actually have to pick up a flight right now. I have to write some scripts. I have to...
There is a life I lead in this city. Hurrying to cut my teeth.
You guys aren't following me on Instagram, by the way. I still don't know what you're doing with your life. No, seriously, I'm putting a lot of work on social. I bought the flight, by the way. If you guys are in Amsterdam November 3rd, hit me up and we'll have some coffee together. Let's do it. Why not? 𝗦𝗏 ¿Y qué más? Finally, the GoPro support customer service finally called me, and I'm sending my broken GoPro to GoPro. Who's calling me? Okay, a couple hours have passed. I'm currently editing the iPad 10 review, which you guys should already have seen, which is now live on the channel. By the way, it's the first time that I'm actually watching the shot. I think it turned out pretty well. Also went on a couple meetings, so definitely was a busy day today. But now it's time to edit, finish off.
When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again?
Okay, I've spent way too much time on this, but look what I've just done. I've written like iPad on Procreate with a green screen, like with a green background on Procreate, right? You get me? And then what I've done is screen recorded it, right? Airdropped it to my iMac, and then split the letters into pieces, and then put a chroma, and then put a mask, and with speed ramps and stuff. And look, iPad. I'm gonna say this: if you can't afford an iPad Air, I'd say it's not perfect yet, but isn't it cool? Like I'm actually handwriting the shot with. And it's still all done with the iPad, which is pretty cool. All right, let me perfect this and show it to you. Hold on. All right, look, it is officially done. This. Oh yeah, I love it. Okay, and the video is live.
Así que el otro, que se vaya fuera de aquí.
I don't know if you guys have ever watched Acapulco on Apple TV Plus. The second season is out, and we love it. You recommend Acapulco to people?
For sure.